Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be giving you guys another look using my Tiny Marvels palette with Sydney Grace. So if you would like to see how I created this look, just keep watching. Bristles Beauty EO2RL and Flutterby. Starting on the outer corner, tapping it into place, and then bringing it into the crease. As there's less product on my brush, I'm slowly going to start working this shade upward. Same shade on a Bristles Beauty EO5 PS. I'm applying this right along the lower lash line. Back in with the original brush I used and Bugaboo. Placing this on the outer corner first. And then into the crease. Blending lightly upward. I'm also going to place that right on the inner corner of the eye. BB on a MAC 242. I'm placing this on the center of my lid. I'm tapping around the edges. Web on a Bristles Beauty PO6RF, highlighting the brow arch. Same brush with Bugaboo right on the tip. I'm going to go right up against my lower lash line. And then I'm going to go ahead and add on liner and mascara. To finish off this look, I went in with Milk's Boss liner on my top inner rim, but then I decided I wanted to be just a little bit deeper right at the lash band, or I don't know if it's the lash band, my lashes. So I took the shade Spider, the shade right here, and I just pushed it right up against my lashes. Not a lot, but just a little bit, like I tight lined them with that shade, and that is it. Mascara, of course. Now, if you guys want to see any particular looks using this palette, let me know. I'm definitely open to suggestions. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. Let me know if you did by giving a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.